guys, I'm rocking probably about a week and a half worth of growth here. And I love the way the beard's coming in. But I'm really excited. I have a nice foundation for the razor I'm about to show you. This is from a company called Above the Tie. Look at this beautiful box that this razor comes in. And wait till you see the razor. Welcome to the circle. Nice little welcome message there. But this is the S1 Slant razor in titanium. Classic titanium. Let me pull that out and let you see this. I've already loaded up the Persona blade it comes with. So if you can see that little twist there, or torquing action. Now this is the perfect razor, guys, to dispatch this heavy stubble I have here. It'll rip through this efficiently and smoothly, and we'll see that coming up soon. Let me show you a little bit more in this package. On the second tier in here, if you look in there, comes with 5 Persona blades, which is a nice smooth, easy blade paired with this razor, and a beautiful titanium stand. Goes beautifully on your countertop. Again, you see that nice twist or that slant. And a beautiful thing, guys, no overhang. So you're not going to get nicked up by the overhang of a razor. And that's a nice design detail. This is beautiful. Again, titanium, machined right here in the USA. If that means something to you, it means something to me. I love it. It's a beautiful looking razor. And it's got decent heft, but it's not too heavy. So as you're getting older, as I am, this will make for less tired hands. And with a slanted razor, it's really more efficient, so you don't need to apply any pressure. You're gonna let the device do the work. And I'm excited to get into this shave. Look at that, guys. All right, gonna be accompanying the shave today with my favorite soap manufacturer, the Elysian Soap Shop, and their Atlantis Deep Luxury Craft soap and aftershave. Beautiful. Again, a Persona blade. And my favorite premium synthetic badger hair brush natural cork handle from the fine folks at FM Brush and Pacific Shaving. These are still available, and I'll leave a link for them, guys, but they're going to be gone very, very soon. Love this brush. Get it while supplies last. You know the drill. I'm going to steam up and clean up in the shower, and I'll come back and I'll execute the shave, and we'll get rid of this beard. We'll bring it back. But right now, I want to show you how efficient and how easy and smooth this beautiful S1 from Above the Tie will take care of this crazy, cranky beard. All right, what am I waiting for? Let's get right to it. All right, fresh out of the shower, so I'm ready to take care of this beard. I do like it, guys. Leave a comment below. Do you like the beard, or would you want to continue to see me shave? Do you like a goatee? Let me know. Leave a comment. All right, let's get right into this. Again, I'm going to go with this Atlantis Deep from the fine folks at Elysian. Oh, very nice, muted, murky, but beautiful soap here. And what I love about this tin that they have is the soap has lots of room up at the top. So this gives me a nice little area to get that first dab of cream, and then I can go right on the face. So let's get that going. Some near hot water on this brush. I'll leave the brush wet. We'll go right into this tin, and we'll pick up a nice swirl of this luxurious soap. This is a high luxury shave, all right? Luxury components all the way around, starting with this beautiful razor. I'm gonna take this and go right onto the face, guys. Look at that. Go right in, get the whiskers covered, agitation. Work them right in there. Oh yeah, very, very nice. So luxury soap, luxury shave. And I'll show you how quick and easy, we can rip this off. Now it's a little thin, so if I wanted to keep agitating this, I could thicken that up. All right, but let's get cracking. Take a look at it, guys. Again, no overhang, which is nice. So when you're under the nose, you're not nicking yourself up. Beautiful knurling here, guys. Somewhat light, lighter than you would think. But with your safety razor, you want to take a 30 to 35 degree approach. There's a little bit of a learning curve because it has a slanted or torqued angle there. Let's get right into it. I'm going to do a first pass with the grain of the hair on my face. Start there, and oh yeah. Very, very nice. Look at that. Look at that, guys. Just gliding across the skin. Two sides of a double edge. Use them both. And look how quick and easy and smooth that first pass is. Look at that, guys. Long stubble. We're going to go in here now. And again, I'm using light pressure, letting the device do the work. Really, really nice and smooth. All right, let's come on over to this side over here. And again, we'll shave with the grain. So smooth. So easy. Two sides, use them both. Oh man, just a wonderful shave. No tugs, no nicks, no cuts. Look at that, just smooth sailing. So this is the toughest part of the beard for me, right on the chin and under the chin. And this razor is doing a great job. Typically, I would use one blade to get rid of that first layer of hair, but I wanted to show you with this razor because the slanted razor is a more efficient cutting razor because of the torqued or twisted position of the blade. And as you can see, it really does a good job getting rid of that stubble. Let's go under the nose. Nice. Very, very nice, guys. First pass in the books. So I've rinsed off with some near hot water. And we're going to go with pass number 2, which will be a cross grain pass. Go back to that initial pull of soap. And lather up again. Very, very nice. Luxurious, wonderful, beautiful shave. Everything here made in America. Artisan soap, craft razor. Very, very nice. Nice, beautiful weekend shave. I'm gonna go with my second pass, which will be a cross grain pass. Nice. Taking my time. we go. All right. So I'm dealing with a couple of weepers, but that is more user error. Let me tell you, there has been no sting, no burn. Oh, that's wonderful shave, guys. Now I'm gonna hit my face with some more near hot water. We'll lather up, and we'll go with the third and final pass, which is gonna be an against grain pass. We'll go back to that initial grab of this beautiful soap. Oh, yeah, really nice. We're gonna go with one final pass, the against grain, which what I like to call my get right pass. Now, if I wanted to thicken this up, I could either go back into the tin, or I could add a little bit of water. A little bit of water, a little bit of agitation. It creates more foam. A little bit of water, a little bit of agitation. More foam. As you can see, thicken that up a little bit. We'll get right into that last pass. Oh, nice, nice. Love this razor, guys. Love this combo. All right, here we go. Last pass against grain. Not trying to make too many things happen with this pass. You're just gliding across the skin. Let the device do the work. Beautiful. Two sides of a double edge. Let's use them both. Oh, nice. Oh, little nick there. Take your time, do it right. Oh, yeah. Nice. Nice, wonderful, smooth, beautiful shave. All right. Now I'm gonna rinse off with cool water. We'll apply the aftershave and we'll get the hell out of here. Cool water will help to close the pores. Will help to stop those couple of weepers. Oh yeah, nice. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful razor, beautiful soap. Love it. The Slant S1 from Above the Tie, guys. Average guy tested, average guy approved. I can't wait to get more hours logged with this. Just a beautiful, efficient, and smooth razor. No burn. Couple of weepers. That's, first time using it, and operator error. I was doing it a little fast, but I'm telling you guys, this is a beautiful razor. And you can also pick up this beautiful base for it, so you can put it right on your counter, display it proudly. All right, let's finish up the shave with the Elysian's Atlantis Deep Aftershave Splash. Just a wonderful finish to a great shave. Ah, yeah. Again, no irritation, no tugs, a couple of nicks. But a wonderful, efficient shave to rip that almost 2-week-old beard off my beautiful face. And I'm 10 years younger all of a sudden. All right, I want to thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you think about this beautiful S1 Titanium Classic slanted razor from Above the Tie. I hope you have a great weekend, and I'll see you next time But in the meantime, you know what to do. Keep pushing. Play. Now roll the music.
Took you like a shot, thought that I could chase you with glory. But a couple years watered down, I'm feeling